Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming where WhatsApp stores backups and that you control that account. Sign into Google Drive or iCloud and locate the WhatsApp backup entry. This is necessary because deleting from the phone alone won't remove cloud copies. Once signed in, turn off automatic WhatsApp backups in the app settings so no new copy is created while you remove data. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable, then move to account-level deletion to permanently remove the backup. Now go into the cloud service where the backup lives and find the WhatsApp backup entry. This is usually listed under App Backups. Select Delete and confirm permanent removal. This erases the cloud copy, not just a reference. Once deleted, return to WhatsApp and clear local chat backups via Settings Chats, Chat Backup to remove residual files on the device. If you want extra safety, revoke the app's cloud permissions so no new automatic backups occur. Finish by removing local backup files and clearing the app cache so no remnants remain on your phone. Check cloud storage once more to verify the backup entry is gone. This double check prevents surprises. If you later see backups reappear, make sure automatic backup is disabled in WhatsApp and that the cloud account isn't reauthorized. If problems persist, temporarily remove the cloud account from the device, delete backups, then re-add it only if you want backups resumed. This ensures a clean, controlled outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.